Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to reprogram a remote from an Audi 2008 and up, probably the 2016. The remote, if it looks like this, all right, a key doesn't pop out. This one goes in the dash. All right, now this is not for a new program. You're going to need a special tool. The locksmith would have to do that. This is, let's say you disconnected the battery and for some reason your remote was working and now you got to repair it to the car. That's what this procedure is for. I already did it to make sure it works. I always do that, and it does. All right. Now, let's say if you pressed yours and they weren't working. What you're going to do, first thing you're going to do is you're going to unlock the door. If the remote, you only have one, then you put there's a key in here. You may not know that, right here. You press that little silver button, and then the key comes out, just like this, and you put it in the door, and you unlock it. We get in the car. I actually locked it again. All right, assume you got into the car, mechanical key or whatever, it doesn't matter. You close the door. Now, you're going to put the key in the ignition until the first click. All right, you're going to hear the lights go on because you want to hold down the unlock button. If you put it all the way in, you won't be able to do that. All right, so you put it in until the first one. Hear that click? And then you hold it down. The unlock button, you hold it down while it's in there, and you count 10 seconds. All right? And after 10 seconds, hold the brake, put the key in and start the vehicle. Let it run for about 10 seconds. Hopefully your car is going to run better than this one. I didn't fix this one yet. There's plenty of videos to come. All right? And after 10 seconds, just take it out. And right then and there, you can try it. Open and lock. Open and lock. And now it's done. And that's basically it. Now, this is to relearn the key to the vehicle's computer, so to speak. Okay? Not for a program if this was a brand new remote with different electronics inside. This is only for the original remote that maybe you had the car battery disconnected and it lost its signal or whatever. That's to repair repair your original remote, not a new one. All right, guys. Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for all the comments, all the information you guys give me, and I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.